Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now by securing the car, park on a level spot, set the e-brake, and remove the key. Put on gloves and eye protection because acid and sparks are a real hazard. Open the hood and locate the battery. Note the negative minus, black clamp, and positive plus, red clamp. First actionable step. With a 10 mm wrench, loosen the negative terminal and remove it to isolate electrical systems. Once done, tape the cable away so it can't touch metal and cause a short. Once the negative lead is secured away, move to the hold-down bracket. Use a 13 mm socket to remove the bolts and set them aside so they don't roll away. Next, disconnect any accessory connectors, vent tubes, battery sensor plugs, and the positive plus terminal last to prevent arcs. Batteries are heavy, usually 40 to 60 pounds. Use the factory strap or a second person and lift with your legs. Make sure the tray is clear of debris before you extract the battery. Lift the battery straight up and out. Keep it level so acid doesn't spill, and place it on a protective board. Inspect the battery tray and cables for corrosion. If present, neutralize with a baking soda and water paste. Rinse, dry thoroughly, and treat or paint the tray to prevent recurrence. When installing a new battery, reconnect positive plus first, then negative minus. If you encounter startup issues after reinstall, check terminal cleanliness, clamp torque, and verify the battery state of charge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.